Hi. Today we're going to be talking about two weapons. The Colt 1911 Airsoft, nice spring action, and the AEG M4 Special Forces. Today I'm going to start with the Special Forces M4. I tricked out this gun. It has a bipod from a Super 9 Sniper Airsoft, and which is really good when me and my buddies play because it has such a big ammo capacity because the magazine are doubled. We use it as a support weapon, which makes it good for like on the ground, rocks, whatever. And it's, as you can see, these are higher or lower than the magazine, so the magazine's not touching all the time. The stock right here, retractable and all this, it's really good because if you want it close up, tight to you, or if you just want it back like a normal, it's all good. It has adjustable hop-ups right here. Hop-up, normal. I keep it on normal. Hop-up spins it up. The forward hand grip is really good because I'm not always on the ground or on a rock shooting. I'll be close in combat, maybe going into their base, going in, firing, whatever. It's really good to have instead of just a flat rail. It has a safety, semi and auto switch right here, which is really nice. Gives you the capability of doing, whatever you want. I like to do semi so I don't waste ammo. This is a really good one. I spray painted it with an olive, a black, gray, and a jungle green. It's just really nice. And if you're just starting off, then probably want a more cheap but good gun. Don't buy the Walmart crap. Stupid. But this gun came with everything except the bipod. This is just what I added on. So that's that. Last weapon we're going to talk about is the Colt 1911 Spring Airsoft. This is a really good weapon. It has a lot of FPS. Don't know exactly. I'm sorry for those airsoft gurus out there. You're probably going to hate me, but anyway, safety's on the slide, so you can just click it on and off, which is really nice. Has a beaver tail actually, and to fire that's its safety, just like here. Has a beaver tail, so to put your grip on and then fire it. It's very nice. Release is good. Holds 15 rounds. It's really nice. Good sidearm. It's a quick draw. You can pop, 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 or whatever. It's really good. So there you have it. Two weapons. Special Forces M4, Colt 1911. Thank you for watching.